Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss a new chapter, linear inequality. What is inequality? A statement involving variables and the sign of inequality is called inequality. This is the sign of greater than, less than, or greater than equal to, or less than equal to. So a statement involving variables and the sign of inequality is called inequality. What is linear inequalities? What is linear inequalities? An inequality involving one or two variable. Okay, an inequality involving one or two variable with linear power is called linear inequality. That is, suppose that we are taking an example, 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 5. There are two variables, first x and y, and also the sign of inequality. This is the sign of inequality, and the power is 1. Here is also power 1. So this type of inequality is called linear inequality. If the power of inequality is 2, then it is called quadratic inequality. Okay, so there are two rules which we have to discuss to solve the inequalities. First rule is what? If the equal number are added or subtracted. If the equal number are added or subtracted to the both side of the inequality, then the sign of inequality will not affect. Okay? If the equal number are added or subtracted to both side of inequality, then the sign of the inequality is not changed. Suppose that this is the inequality. We can add both sides 3 and 3. No sign will be changed. Okay? But the second rule is that if the equal number are divided or multiplied, if the equal number are divided or multiplied to both sides of inequality, with a positive number, then there will be no any change in the sign of inequality. If we are dividing or multiplied by the positive number to both sides of inequality, then the sign of inequality will not change. But if we are multiplied or divided by a negative number to both sides of the inequality, then the sign of the inequality will change. Suppose that we are multiplying both sides with minus 2 into 4x 7 into minus 2, then the sign of inequality will be changed. These are the two rules which we should be know. Okay, in the chapter these rules will use very. Okay, the first rule is what? If the equal number are added or subtracted, then no sign will be changed. Okay, if we are multiplied or divided by the same number by a positive number to both sides of the inequality, then the sign of the inequality will not change. But if we are divided or multiplied by a negative number to both sides of inequality, then the sign of the inequality will change. So these two rules we will keep in our mind, and we will solve the problems of our exercise. Okay? So let's start exercise 6.1. of your NCERT book. First question. What is given in this question? What is given? Solve (24x less than 100). First, x is when x is a natural number. Second, x is an integer. So now see the solution. What is question? 24x is less than 100. What we will do here? First, dividing both sides by 24. We get 24 divided by x, 100 by 24. So x is less than 100 by 24. This will be cancelled. So we can write 25 and 6. 25 by 6. Okay. Now first solve this 24x is less than 100 when x is a natural number. If x is a natural number, then what will be the solution? Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. After this it cannot be, because 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So the value of x cannot be greater than 4. Okay. The second, x is equal to, second is what? X is an integer. So what will be the integer? So we can write it cannot be greater than 4. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dot 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 dot. Okay. So it will be solution of the second question, because second part is x is an integer, and you know that integer is from minus infinite to plus infinite. So in right hand side only 4 it may be extended. So after 4 cannot be extended, so 4 will be the last, and less than 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 it will be. Okay. So it will be our solution. Next question. Solve minus 12x is greater than 30 when x is a natural number, and second part, x is an integer. The same thing. Now see the solution. We have to given 12x is greater than 30. So what we will do here? We will dividing by minus 12 both sides. Look at, we are going to divide this inequality by the negative number. So what will be changed? The sign of the inequality will be changed. Okay, so we can write minus 12x divided by minus 12, 30 by minus 12. So it will be cancelled. So x is less than minus. Now it will be cancelled. by 6. So we can write 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are. Okay. Sorry. Here will be 5. So it will be reduced minus 5 by 2. Okay. First, when x is a natural number, look at, if we are taking a natural number here, we cannot get minus sign, because natural number is a number which is starting from 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 all positive number. Okay, but here we are getting that this number is minus 5 by 2. So for natural number x, for any natural number, it is not true. Okay. Second, so second is x is an integer. So for integer, we can write, so we can write for integer, look at, this will be 2.5 minus 2.5, and this quantity is greater than, so we have to write the less than, so we can write minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, dot, dot, dot. This will be the solution. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Solve 5x minus 3 is less than 7 when first x is a natural number. X is a natural number. Second, x is a real number. Solution. What we have to given, 5x minus 3 is less than 7. So what we will do first, we will transpose this minus 3 to the right hand side. We get 7 plus 3. Okay. Now 5x is less than 10. Now dividing both sides by 5. So we get 5x by 5 less than 10 by 5. So x is less than 2. So first question is, x is a natural number. So solution will be, if x is a natural number, then we will write the natural number which is less than 2. So only one natural number which is less than 2. So the solution will be 1. Because less than 2, only 1 is the natural number which is 1. Now second, x is a real number. So real number, what will be real number? Real number is defined from minus infinite to plus infinite. So all the values less than 2 is called, so we can write 2 in open interval, comma, minus infinite. So, okay, this will be solution. Because 2 is not included, so less than all the number with 2 is our solution of second. Okay, x is a real number which is less than 2. Next question. Question number 5. 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 7. We have to given this question and 5 and tell what will be the value of x. Okay. So first we will transpose this 3 to the right hand side. So 4x plus is less than 6x plus 7 minus 3. Now 4x is less than 6x plus 7 minus 3 is 4. What we will get? Now transpose this 6x to the left hand side. We get 4x minus 6x less than 4. We get minus 2x is less than 4. Now dividing both sides with minus 2. Now look at, here is a negative sign. If we are dividing this inequality by minus 2, then the sign of the inequality will be changed according to the second rule. Okay. So minus 2x dividing by minus 2 greater than 4 by minus 2. So here will be cancelled. We can get x is greater than minus 2. It will be our solution. Okay. Now we can write solution is minus 2, 2 and 5, 9. So will be answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. 3x minus 1 less than equal to 2x minus 3. Okay. First what we will do? We will multiply 3x minus 3 less than equal to 2x minus 6. Now transpose it. 3x, transpose 2x to the left hand side. It will be minus 2x. The inequality will be same. Now we will transpose minus 3 to the right hand side. The sign will be changed. Okay. So here will be x is less than minus 3. So what we will write the solution? Solution will be, this is minus 3, this is minus infinite. Okay, this will be our solution. What we have done? We have done nothing here. Just multiplied this 3 to the x, so it will be 3x. After multiplying 1, it will be 3. The sign of inequality will be same, no change. Again multiplied this 2 to the x, it will be 2x. Again multiplied this 2 to the 3, it will be minus 6. Now transpose this 2x in the left hand side and this minus 3 to the right hand side. We get 3x minus 2x and 3 minus 6. So after subtracting we get x and this will be less than minus 3. So the solution will be minus 3 and minus infinite. Next question. Question number 9. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Now we have to simplify this question. So first what we will do, we will take the LCM in left hand side and solve it. Okay. So let's see that one. Taking the LCM of this, what we get? 6. It will be 6x. It will be 3x. It will be 2x less than 11. Okay. Now add 6 and 3, 9. 9 and 2, 11x by 6 is less than 11. Now multiply both sides with 6. Multiply both sides by 6. 11x by 6 into 6. 11 into 6. It will be cancel. Again dividing both sides with 11. Dividing both sides with 11. We get 11x by 6 less than 11 into 6 by 11. Sorry, 11 by 11. It will be cancelled, so x is less than 6. Okay, and solution will be 6 minus infinite. It will be our solution. It is very simple. First we have taken the LCM of the left hand side of 1, 2 and 3. It will be 6. After taking LCM we get 6x, 3x and 2x. Adding we get 11x by 6. This is less than 11. So multiply both sides with 6. So it will be reduced. Here will be 11. Now again dividing both sides by 11. So 11x by 11. 11 into 6 by 11. So it will be reduced. It will be reduced. So x is less than 6. So solution is minus infinite to 6. Okay. Next question. Question number 11. 3x minus 2 dividing by 5 less than equal to 5 2 minus x dividing by 3. We have to find the value of x. So first what we will do, we will multiply both sides with the LCM of 5 and 3. Okay. Now LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 50. Multiply both sides by 50. So 3x minus 2 multiplied by 50 less than equal to 5. 2 minus x by 3 multiplied by 50. So it will be cancelled. 5 3 is 50. 3 5s are. So we can write 9 x minus 2 less than equal to 25. 2 minus x. Okay. Now multiply this 9 inside the bracket what we get, 9x minus 18 is less than 25 to the 50 minus 25x. Okay, now what we will do, we will transpose it, the variable in the left hand side, the constant to the right hand side. We get 9x plus 25x is less than equal to 50 plus 18. We get 5 and 25 and 9, it will be 34, and less than equal to 6, 8. Now dividing by 34, we get x is less than 68 by 34, which is equal to 2. So x is less than equal to 2. The solution will be 2 minus infinite. Okay, no doubt is here. First, I have taken the LCM of 5 and 3. We get 15 LCM. So multiplied 15 to the both side of the inequality, here and here. It will be reduced by 5, 3, and it will be reduced 5. We get 3 is a 9, 5 5 is a 25. After multiplying, we get this, and after this we transpose variable to the left hand side, constant to the right hand side. We get 34x is less than equal to 68. After dividing 34, we get x is less than equal to 2. So our solution is minus infinite to 2. Okay. Next question. Question 12. 1 by 2, 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6. Now solve it. 5 taking LCM, 3x plus 20. This is greater than equal to 1 by 3 x minus 6. Okay. Now LCM of 2, 5 and 3 is 30. So multiplied both side by 30, we get 1 by 2, 3x plus 20 upon 5 into 30 greater than equal to x minus 6 into 30. We get, this will be reduced by 3 in 3 times. It will be reduced in 10 times. What we get, 3 3 is 9x plus 3 2 is 16 is greater than equal to, okay, so 10x minus 60. After transposing, we get 9x minus 10x is greater than equal to minus 60. Minus 60 minus x is greater than minus 120. Multiplied by minus 1, we get x is less than 120. What we get? X is less than 120. It will be our solution. So solution will be minus infinite to 120. Now see, first we have taken the LCM 3, 5. So it will be 3x plus 20. After this 3, we have taken the LCM 3, 5 and 2. LCM of 2, 5 and 3 is 30. Okay. Now multiplied by 30 to the both side. Here now 2 5s are 10 and 30 will be reduced by 10 in 3 times. Again 30 will reduce in 10 times. So we will multiply 9x plus 60 is greater than or equal to 10x minus 60. Now transpose it variable, so it will be minus x and here will be minus 120. After multiplying by minus 1, inequality will be changed. X is less than or equal to 120, so the solution is minus 9 to 120. Thank you.